Broken trust from Baltimore Police Commissioner to prison inmate. Darryl DeSousa will serve time behind bars for tax fraud. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And Vic Carter.
And the judge called this a sad day for Baltimore.
The former city police commissioner received a 10-month sentence. Prosecutors say he lied repeatedly on his tax returns. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the federal courthouse with reaction from the U.S. attorney and from DeSousa himself. Mike.
Vic and Rick, one of the astonishing things about this is that the IRS notified the police department there were problems with DeSousa's taxes years before he ever became commissioner, yet he still rose through the ranks. DeSousa told the judge today the fault rests with him alone, yet he felt he should not have to serve time behind bars.
And support the Constitution.
And support the Constitution.
And laws thereof.
And laws
1 year ago, Darryl DeSousa had just been sworn in as Baltimore City's police commissioner.
Judge Blake did what she thought was right.
Now he's headed to federal prison to serve a 10-month sentence for tax fraud.
The laws apply to everyone, whether you wear a badge or not.
Nothing to say to the citizens of Baltimore.
What was that?
While DeSousa had no comment for the citizens he once served, he pleaded for mercy before the judge, telling her he was ashamed. "I've basically lost it all," he said. "I wasn't smart enough to go to a reputable tax preparer. I was focused on getting as much money in that check as possible."
I'm here to support him.
His family said he spent the cash to help his ailing parents, and DeSousa's lawyer described the $67,000 his client owed as a pretty small number. But prosecutors told the judge this conduct is a product of greed, contempt for the law, and a sense of entitlement.
There are members of law enforcement agencies, like the Baltimore Police Department, who choose to betray their oaths of office and put their own self-interests ahead of the interests of the community. So that was the case of Commissioner DeSousa.
They said the lies were brazen, that DeSousa claimed a mortgage interest deduction when he didn't own a house, claimed donations to charity that he never made, and some years never even filed taxes.
And I've named Deputy Commissioner DeSousa as Commissioner for the Baltimore.
He served for just a few months last year as commissioner, appointed by Mayor Catherine Pugh, even though the IRS had previously notified the police there were problems with his tax withholdings, raising questions about his vetting.
Doesn't matter. Nothing matters now.
The judge called the former commissioner's crimes significant and told him, "We all agree this city needs a police force we can trust. What you have done further erodes that trust." And the former commissioner cashed out part of his retirement to pay the $67,000 that he owed. He should report to prison within the next 6 to 8 weeks. He is free for now. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, Mike Helgren, WJZ.